Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. I'm Labros, I'm a musician and sound engineer, and this video is about a new moving light, and it's for people who are interested in lights. So Betopper sent me one new moving light, and I'm very excited to make the unboxing and to make a review about it. So I hope you enjoy the video. Let's go to do the unboxing together. So this is a light, Betopper LF350. Let's open it. So here it is, guys. This is the light. At the time of this video, this light, if I remember right, it cost around €253. It's not very expensive, not very cheap. It's very nice build. So I want to show this detail. So except from 672 LEDs, which is 0.2 watts each one, there are also these white LEDs, which is 1 watt each LED, and you can see there is some kind of like a magnifying glass, and I guess that's why it's so bright, the white, when it's turned on. So you can see here better. So let's plug it in to see how does it look. So guys, we're going to plug the light now in this power station that I have, because I would like to see which is the actual power consumption of this light. So inside the box of the light, you're going to find one safety cable, the manual of course, a DMX cable, and the power cord, which we have connected in this power station in order to be able to see the amount of watt that it's using during operation mode and when it's idle right now. So in idle mode you can see the consumption is 18 watts. So this is the manual. You can read it and find out more things about this light. So the rating power of this light is 350 watts. It runs in different channel modes, 17, 38 or 381 channels, and the weight is about 8 kilos. So you can see in the screen there is one like loading bar, so you can see when it's ready. So the light, it's turned on. I would really like to point out that the screen, it's not with buttons, but it's a touch screen. So let's see a bit on the modes. So as I understand, the light is in sound mode. So it's making different kind of patterns depending on the sound that you are doing. I would like to say, in comparison with other lights that I have bought, the fans of this light doesn't sound loud at all. I could say it's very silent. So I guess it's very good for some places that you don't want to be loud. So we're going to see now how we can control this light by the DMX controller. So channel number 1, it's supposed to be dimming. So number 3 is supposed to be color red, and as you can see, red is here. I would say it's actually very bright for a red. So we have red on channel 3, channel 4 is green, blue, and we have this white, which is very bright. There is this kind of like a stick here, which is natively white. It's not RGB together, it's just white. So This was number 6, the white, and number 7, it's the moving up and down. And channel number 8, you can move it but by just a little bit if you want to adjust with a lot of detail. So with number 9 you can adjust how fast or how slow you want the movement to go up and down. So moving on to the next channels, channel number 11 has some different mixes of colors that it's pre-built inside the light, so you can choose yellow, purple or whatever else is here. So moving on channel number 12, you have some pre-built effects here, as you can see. Very cool. And I guess you can make them going faster with channel number 13. So yeah, you can see it's going faster. So on channel number 14 you can put also the white here, the white stick as I mentioned before, making different shows also. And with channel number 15 you can make these shows of the white going faster, as you can see. So I'm curious to see now what is the real power consumption of this light. Let's try slowly, turning on the red color, green, the blue, and lastly the white. So you can see the total amount is 207 watts on its maximum output. So let's try to see some of the different shows that these lights can produce. So I'm going to try this light outdoors, put some smoke and to see how does it look outside. So guys, we are outside. As you can see, we are all set up and we're ready to try the light outdoors. Let's see the green light and the blue. You can see how bright it is. let's check also the white, which is the brightest one. Look, this like magnifying glass. You can see different shades that it's making. So let's put some smoke. Check out how bright it is by making all this wall with colors. And the white. And the red. Let's make it a bit purple. So guys, my opinion about this light, it's that I really like it and I really find it very bright. And what I like in comparison with the other lights that I have from Betopper, it's the build quality of this. It's really amazing. It's not plastic and it's maybe designed for bigger stages. What I don't like is I really wish there was some kind of handle so you can grab it easier, but that's okay for me. I guess you can mount this on some truss like this and you can probably put different shows in that way, and maybe you can put this FA with the numbers so you can make some kind of countdown like 10, 9, 8 until 0. I also realized that it has the ABC, so that's cool also. As long as I operated this light, it didn't get very hot, but the brightness, it's really enormous. I had to dim this a little bit less for the purpose of this video. So guys, in the end of this video, I would really like to thank everybody for watching this video. I really appreciate it. About the light, I think it's pretty cool. I really like it. I'm very excited for having this light in my collection because I have different kind of lights. This is something new and I really like it. I think it's easy to control, and it has many pre-built effect options that you can do different stuff, and I think DJs will love this thing. And if you really like it, you can check it in the official site of Betopper, which right now in euro it's around 253 euro, and in dollars it's 299. I think the build quality and what it does, it really justifies the price, which is, in my opinion, really worth it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I will be able to make another review to some other new light from Betopper. Thank you so much. Bye.